You will be amazed by this 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, remote engine start, fog lamps, power liftgate, backup camera, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, Bluetooth, seat memory. You don't have to sacrifice comfort to get all-terrain capability. Drive the Grand Cherokee.